Howdy, folks. This is Scott in B0W. I'm in my home shack this evening, and what you see here is a Pebble HF 20-meter radio. This is a little kit radio that I put together last night. It came in the mail yesterday, and it took about an hour to put together. It was a pretty easy build. It worked first time we plugged it in. And so we're going to do a little POTA hunting with it and see what we can do this evening. This is the next day. This kit comes from Mike and Becky of the Ham Radio Duo and others that are working on this project. It's kind of a fun little radio, very inexpensive. It's not going to replace a Yaesu or an ICOM or a Kenwood or anything, but it's a lot of fun for no more than it costs, and it works pretty well. So let's find some POTA spots and see if we can make some contacts. We've got Forest in a park. Let's see if we can work him on the Pebble HF. Got him. My meter says we're putting out 4.6 watts on the Pebble HF, 14.04 megahertz CW. Now I am running on a beam, which does make it a little different. It does help a little having the beam, but still, we got him on a very low-cost radio that I built myself. Thanks, Forrest. This is K7RO, which is John, and he is in Washington right now. Let's see if we can work him. Nope, didn't get him that time. Narrowed the filter up a little bit, down to 200 hertz. Slightly off frequency, maybe we'll have a better chance. And there we got him. K7RO from Nebraska to Washington. 599 both ways. Very cool. This is Paul in Utah. W4LOO. I've worked him many times. Let's try him. A little bit of QSB or fading there, but we got Paul with 4.6 watts. Thanks, Paul. So there was just 3 quick contacts with the Pebble HF. You can check out this little radio. It comes as a kit at hamradioduo.com. Mike and Becky, it's a project they've been working on and are making it available. It's a very low-cost radio, and it works. So check it out. 7-3.